Are your hosting or products stuck on inactive and invisible to customers? Here's how to make them active in under 60 seconds. We'll go into your product settings, toggle the status from inactive to active, and save. Just follow these simple clicks. So start by opening up your hosting or website builder. You'll want to be on the main editing screen where you can see your site layout. Now look for the shopping cart icon in the sidebar on the left. It looks like a little shopping cart, and it's usually around the middle of that menu. Go ahead and click on it. Then click on Sell to access your products. This is where all your product management happens, so it's good to get familiar with this area. Now find the product you want to activate. You'll see a list of everything you've added, and right now they probably all say inactive next to them. We're going to fix that. Click the Edit button for that product. It's usually a small pencil icon or a button that says Edit right next to the product name. You'll see the current status is inactive. It's probably highlighted in gray or red, and that's the whole reason your customers can't see this item. So here's where the magic happens. Simply switch it from inactive to active. Just click on that active option. You'll see the status change visually right there on the screen. Don't forget to save your changes. This is a really easy step to miss, so look for the Save button, usually in the top right corner of that editing panel, and click it. Now go back to the product list so we can double-check our work. You can usually do this by clicking some kind of back arrow or a products link at the top. Open the same products edit screen again. Just click that edit button one more time. Confirm the status is now active. You should see it clearly showing as active instead of inactive. If it does, you're in great shape. Repeat these steps for any other products you need to make visible. Go through each one, switch it from inactive to active, and make sure you save each time. Finally, preview your site to see the products live. Click the preview or eye icon at the top of your builder, and you should see your products showing up for customers to browse and buy. If you go through all of this and your products are still showing as inactive, check a few common issues. Make sure you're actually saving after every change. Also check that you haven't accidentally set a future publish date or limited the stock to 0. And sometimes it helps to clear your browser cache or refresh the builder page. And that's it. You've taken your products from invisible to fully purchasable in just a few clicks. Your customers can finally see what you're offering, and you're ready to start making sales.